I just ordered some more hair, and this time I got some body wave instead of curly. And it just got here, y'all, and look at my hair. I didn't just, but earlier I had washed and conditioned it because I really don't feel like staying up all night, you know. Oh, that's loud. Oh, this box is cute this time. Last time it was kind of ugly, but this box is cute. Thumbnail. Can't never get shit open. Hold on, let me take the baby back right quick. They really be the plug on my mama. I don't even wear eyelashes, bro. I feel like I look crazy with eyelashes. Oh, this is a 3-part closure. I think this is the only kind that they had, so I had to get this one. But I was gonna buy a closure from a different like a different company, but it was cheaper to just get that one, so I got that one. Okay, let me show y'all the hair though. This is the 20-inch bundle. Oh yeah, this is the same hair company that I got my last hair from. It's called Amella hair. This hair is soft. I'm dead. This is the 18-inch bundle. Oh shit. Yeah, this hair is soft. It seemed kind of like thin. Not thin, but I feel like I done had thicker bundles before. But it is really soft. And it got a nice shine to it too. Let me show y'all the ends. See how it looks soft? It really feels soft too. Let me do the closure now. This is 14 inches and it's a 3-part closure. But yeah, what was I saying? I'm gonna make sure that when I do the install video that I actually, you know, take my time and you know, make sure that y'all can see what I'm doing, because my last video I was just bullshitting, but I'm gonna really make sure I take my time and show y'all every step. So that's why I might do it tomorrow. I probably ain't gonna do it tomorrow. This is soft too, bro. This hair is soft as... This hair hella soft. I never had a 3-part closure. My last closure that I did with my curly hair was my first closure that I did, and it looked cute. So this one probably gonna look cute too. I'll be getting closures now because my hair really be needing a break because I be wearing my real hair a lot now. But yeah, this is pretty. I don't know if this is baby hairs or what. It might be, but it might just be short right there. I don't know. But yeah, y'all, this is Amella hair. This is the same vendor that I got my curly hair from, and their hair is always soft. This is my second time getting it, and this hair really soft and it's shiny. You see how shiny that is? And look at the ends. The ends is pretty too. Okay, now I'm finna show y'all like a close-up of the hair so y'all can see it. I'm gonna do a video installing this hair probably tomorrow. I was gonna do it today, but that's really doing a lot. And what else? Oh yeah, this hair company is called Amella Hair Company, and I got 16, 18, and 20, and then a 14-inch 3-part closure. So I'm probably gonna post that video tomorrow of me installing it. So if you want to see that video, make sure you come back. And yeah, stay tuned for more. Oh wait, look at my bracelets, y'all. I got green. Stay tuned for more videos.